Hello everybody, I've got something a little different here today. I've got a vintage overhead projector. It's a Daylight Portascribe model G100LT. I'm not sure if that there indicates it's from 1991. There's the serial number and some of the specs. These were real popular when I was in school in the 80s and 90s. And anybody that's been in school during those years has probably seen one of these. I'm pretty sure these are from the 90s, this version. We had some older ones in the school district that were a light green color, shaped a little bit different, but basically the same thing. And when I was in my high school electronics class, I used to work on these all the time. Did a lot of Fresnel lens changeouts and stuff like that and cleanups. And I've got the set screw out where I can open it up. Takes a DYS bulb if my memory serves correctly. If you didn't know, take these two thumb screws out and the Fresnel and glass can be cleaned. And then just tighten those back up. I've already done the cleaning, so I can tighten those back up. Spent a lot of time in this part of it back in high school. Yeah, it's a DYS bulb. I've changed sockets out in these quite often, and switches, and I don't recall ever changing a fan out. But while I've got this here, I'll probably put a couple drops of oil in the bearings, so that will prolong that. Some versions had some diodes that had to be changed. Had a recall back in the mid-90s. I can't remember what brand it was now. Elmo or something like that, I think. Or Buhl. B-U-H-L. One of those two. But anyway, I'm going to find something I can put on the glass plate and see if we can see anything projected onto the wall. Here's a look at the front end of it. There's the power switch. I can't remember what that knob there does. It's been too many years. If somebody knows, please put it in the comments. And there's a warning about the Fresnel lens warping if you just unplug it. So that lamp is quite hot. I don't remember if I replaced it in this one or it's just so low hour it hadn't warped. And there's the head with the mirror and lenses. Alright, now I'll set it up on the tripod. We'll get a startup sound and see. I'll get some slides or something to look at. I've got some slides from July 1976. So it's not gonna show them real good. I gave it a quick check before I put it on the camera. So let's get a startup sound of this machine. That ought to spark some Gen X memories of school right there. Just hearing that sound. Alright, I'm going to go over to the wall and zoom in. Well, let's get a look at what it looks like there. That's pretty cool. And then I'll zoom in on the slides. Turn the lights off. There's a look at them on the glass plate. I don't have any transparencies or anything cool like that, so I've just got these slides shining on the wall. Looks like SeaWorld or something similar. That one's upside down. That one's upside down. Those are upside down. Sure looks upside down to me if I do that. That takes care of it. So yeah, that's what a slide looks like through a overhead projector. There's the rings of the Fresnel lens. So that's just a quick look at the Portascribe G100 LT overhead projector. Thank you for watching. I'll power it down. And that's what it looks like powering down. The fan will run till the bulb cools, and then I can unplug it.